Maharashtra Council of Ministers. Devendra Fadnavis, Chief Minister and Minister of Home Affairs, Energy, Law and Judiciary, General Administration, Information and Public Relations. Devendra Gangadhar Rao Fadnavis, born the 22nd of July 1970, is an Indian politician who is currently serving as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra since the 5th of December 2024 and previously held this position for 2 terms from 2014 to 2019. He previously served as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra alongside Ajit Pawar in the Eknath Shinde government. Eknath Shinde, Deputy Chief Minister and Minister of Urban Development, Housing, Public Works, Public Undertakings. Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister, Minister of Finance, Planning and State Excise. Chandrasekhar Bawankul, Minister of Revenue. Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, Minister of Water Resources, Godavari and Krishna Valley. Hassan Mashrif, Minister of Medical Education. Chandrakant Patil, Minister of Higher and Technical Education, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Girish Mahajan, Minister of Water Resources, Vidarbha, Tapi, Konkan, Minister of Disaster Management. Gulab Raghunath Patil, Minister of Water Supply and Sanitation. Ganesh Naik, Minister of Forest. Dadaji Bhuse, Minister of School Education. Sanjay Rathore, Minister of Soil and Water Conservation. Dhananjay Munde, Minister of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Protection. Mangal Prabhat Lodha, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Uday Samant, Minister of Industries, Minister of Marathi Language. Jaikumar Rawal, Minister of Marketing, Minister of Protocol. Pankaja Munde, Minister of Environment and Climate Change, Minister of Animal Husbandry. Atul Save, Minister of OBC Welfare, Minister of Dairy Development, Minister of Renewable Energy. Ashok Oak, Minister of Tribal Development. Shambhuraj Desai, Minister of Tourism, Minister of Mining, Minister of Ex-Servicemen Welfare. Ashish Shelar, Minister of Information Technology, Minister of Cultural Affairs. Dattatreya Bharne, Minister of Sports and Youth Welfare, Minister of Minority Development and Awqaf. Aditi Tatkare, Minister of Women and Child Development. Shivendra Raje Bhosle, Minister of Public Works. Manikrao Kokate, Minister of Agriculture. Jaikumar Gore, Minister of Rural Development. Narhari Jeerwal, Minister of Food and Drug Administration, Minister of Special Assistance. Sanjay Savkare, Minister of Textiles. Sanjay Shirsat, Minister of Social Justice. Pratap Sarnaik, Minister of Transport. Bharat Shed Gogawal, Minister of Horticulture, Minister of Employment Guarantee, Minister of Khar Land Development. Makrand Jadhav Patil, Minister of Relief and Rehabilitation. Nitesh Rane, Minister of Fisheries, Minister of Ports Development. Akash Fundkar, Minister of Labour. Babasaheb Patil, Minister of Cooperation. Prakash Rao Abhitkar, Minister of Public Health. Ministers of State: Madhuri Misal, Urban Development, Transport, Social Justice, Medical Education, Minority Development and Awqaf. Ashish Jaiswal, Minister of State, Finance, Planning, Agriculture, Relief and Rehabilitation, Law and Judiciary, Labor. Pankaj Bhoyer, Minister of State, Home, Rural, Housing, School Education, Cooperation, Mining. Meghana Bordikar, Minister of State, Public Health, Water Supply and Sanitation, Energy, Women and Child Development, Public Works, Public Undertakings. Indranil Naik, Industries, Public Works, Higher and Technical Education, Tribal Development, Tourism, Soil and Water Conservation. Yogesh Kadam, Minister of State, Home, Urban, Revenue, Rural Development, Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Protection, Food and Drug Administration.